Hi, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You can find a written version of this recipe by visiting my website, 3catsfoodie.com. Golden pieces of pan-fried halloumi in Mediterranean flavors, served on a bed of spiced yogurt, drizzled with honey, olive oil, with fresh mint and pomegranate. Let's start with the za'atar-spiced yogurt. Half a cup of thick, plain, Greek yogurt. A good-sized clove of garlic. Two teaspoons of za'atar-spiced mix. A delicious combination of sumac, oregano, thyme, cumin, coriander, and sesame seeds. 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil. 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. 2 teaspoons of honey. 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Give it a good mix until nicely combined. Have a taste of the spiced yogurt. Adjust it to your liking. Remember to go easy on the salt, as halloumi is quite salty. Warm the yogurt in the microwave for about 40 seconds. Set aside to let the flavors infuse. Meanwhile, let's prepare the remaining ingredients. Mint goes fantastic with halloumi. Roll up 8 leaves and slice them thinly. Next, it's time for some good quality halloumi. The ones made in Cyprus have the best taste and texture. Halloumi is packed with brine that prevents the oil from spitting when frying. Pat it dry with paper towels. Cut the block of cheese into 1 centimeter slices. Pat the slices dry one more time before frying. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Place the halloumi carefully into the hot oil. Fry them for 1 to 2 minutes per side, or until golden and cooked through. Delightfully crispy, but gooey and soft inside. Let's start plating. This one's a bit of fun. Time to let your inner chef shine. Dollop and spread the spiced yogurt onto a plate. This is optional. For some texture and more flavor, I'm adding some za'atar-spiced. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon over the yogurt. Place pieces of the halloumi over the yogurt. Drizzle a little more honey and some extra virgin olive oil. Then throw on the mint leaves. Lastly, 1/4 cup of these gorgeous pomegranate arils. Looks like Christmas, beautiful and vibrant colors all on one dish. So much flavor and texture. Visit me at 3catsfoodie.com. You'll find a written recipe with a clear, step-by-step guide and tips. I have also converted the cooking measurements so it's user-friendly. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.